Before we immerse ourselves in the intricate world of affiliate marketing, I have something exciting for you. Don't miss out on my exclusive free affiliate marketing course that can act as your stepping stone in this journey. Find the link in the description below. It's a treasure trove of insights, tips, and strategies that can accelerate your path to success. Now that we've got that covered, are you ready to dive into the depths of affiliate marketing? Let's get started. Have you ever found yourself pondering over the concept of affiliate marketing? We'll take a moment and let's embark on an enlightening journey that will unravel the mystery behind this popular online income strategy. The world of affiliate marketing is a vast ocean, filled with opportunities and potential earnings. But before we dive in, it's important to understand what this term actually means. Simply put, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought by their own marketing efforts. Picture this: you're a blogger or a website owner who loves talking about gadgets. One day you decide to write a review about a new smartphone that you've just bought. You link to the product page of an online store, say Amazon. A reader finds your review helpful and decides to buy the phone using your link, and voila, you've just earned a commission from that sale. That, my friends, is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. But how does one get started with affiliate marketing? Well, it's a journey that begins with 3 key steps. Firstly, you need to choose your niche. This is a specific area of interest that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. It could be anything from tech gadgets to gourmet cooking. The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to target and attract a dedicated audience. The second step is to build a platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a social media page. The platform is where you will share your expertise, build an audience, and eventually promote your affiliate products. The third step is to join an affiliate program. There are plenty of these programs available online, each with its own set of terms and conditions. Once you've joined, you'll receive links to products that you can promote on your platform. Now, earning from affiliate marketing isn't just about linking to products and hoping for the best. It's about building trust with your audience. It's about providing valuable content that helps your audience make informed decisions. And most importantly, it's about promoting products that you believe in. As we move further in our affiliate marketing journey, it's time to discuss one of the most crucial aspects: driving traffic to your platform and converting that traffic into leads. You see, you can have the best content, the most valuable product recommendations, but if nobody sees them, your efforts are in vain. There are numerous ways to drive traffic to your platform, like search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and even paid advertising. Remember, the goal isn't just to attract a huge number of visitors, but to attract the right visitors, those who are interested in your niche and are likely to be interested in the products you recommend. Converting this traffic into leads is the next step. This is where you persuade your visitors to take action, such as signing up for a newsletter, downloading a free guide, or making a purchase through your affiliate link. This requires a deep understanding of your audience's needs and wants, as well as persuasive content that prompts them to take action. In the end, driving traffic and converting leads are 2 sides of the same coin. Both are essential for a successful affiliate marketing campaign, and both require a strategic approach. So roll up your sleeves, dig into the data, and start crafting a traffic and conversion strategy that works for you. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a strategic way of earning online by promoting products that you love and trust. It's a journey that begins with choosing a niche, building a platform, and joining an affiliate program. But remember, success in affiliate marketing is built on trust, valuable content, and genuine product recommendations. So the next time you read a blog post or watch a video that ends with a product link, bear in mind that you've just experienced affiliate marketing in action. And perhaps, just perhaps, you might be intrigued enough to start your own affiliate marketing journey. After all, in the vast ocean of the internet, there's plenty of room for more affiliate marketers.